We're going to the Grand Canyon! What's up, ladies? This is Kelly and Josiah's excellent adventure. We got Andrew in the back. We got some fruit roll-ups right here. Please sponsor us. Also, we're poor as. He's pissed. He's like this.
Andrew, did you have a long drive, bud?
You slept the whole way there? How are you tired? We're wrapping up day one of the grandest adventure ever. We are in Albuquerque.
Andrew's pissed because he had to spend the whole freaking day in the car.
And then also, every time Avicii would come out, we would cry.
This is kind of a cool story why we brought Andrew. One, he's my dog and he should go everywhere with me. But don't cry!
I'm gonna cry!
We're taking him back to where they found him. So, yeah. So after the Grand Canyon, we're going to drive through where they found him.
What do you think about that, Andrew? Same.
Wait, are we already in Arizona? Confusion. Whatever, we're here.
We have no idea where we are right now.
No idea.
But we are on our way to the Grand Canyon! We are on our way back from our grand adventure. What should be on our way? But the Four Corners. Kelly and I were like, oh, okay, let's stop there. It's about 4:30. And then...
No, it was like 4:38.
Okay. No, and then there was a sign. And then it was like, business hours. 4:45. Close. No!
Plus it was $5 per person. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
that's
no,
BS.
and apparently
like,
this is America.
Yeah. Friggin' America. Everything should be free. We're free. It's just like a cement plaque in the middle of like the desert, and it just says Four Corners, and it's so lame. And you're charging $10, and you close at 4:45. There's still daylight.
We are going to Durango. I've never been to Durango.
Oh my gosh.
Well, let's see. I don't.
There's a cop. There's a cop. Don't turn around.
I don't get out much, apparently. Okay, bye.
This is really cool.
How long do you think it would take with like some pitchforks?
Some pitchforks?
Not some pitchforks.
You're gonna climb that with a pitchfork? Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon was I filmed you seeing it for the first time, and that was kind of like my favorite part because you were just like,
dude, when we went onto that platform, it was like, are you serious? Like,
so now we're gonna go to the sand dunes in Alamosa, Colorado. If you've never been to Alamosa, Colorado, it is the ish. Go check it out. And we're gonna drive through Levita Pass. Hopefully it's clear. Hopefully there's no snow. But it'd be like that sometimes. This van is like,
hold your breath.
Josiah is convinced he's going to
Climb a
crawl
sand
up
dune.
the sand dunes.
We
Mind
can
you,
climb it.
this is the biggest sand dunes in America. It's not a sandbox. You're gonna look at it and you're gonna be like, oh.
When I climb it, I'm going to laugh in your face.
Okay.
So change of plan.
What? You don't want to climb the dunes anymore?
It would take me 3 whole days.
3 whole days?
Probably. And then I would have to have like a spike and like mark my spot and then hang out there and then eat like a sandwich. Like we're gonna go to this entrance, right? Gonna go in here, start here. Or wait,
You have to go over them. You can't go around them.
do people actually do that in a day?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know the time frame. I've never done it.
So like how do you eat food?
You gotta pack everything.
But like how do you stop to eat?
I don't know. I don't do it.
You can go right now.
No, I'll have to turn the car in at 8:30. He is trucking on through these sand dunes. You're almost there. Almost there, dude. To the first dune.
Oh no.
You can do it.
I'm not gonna make it through
Put
the dry sand.
Put Priscilla
Come on, Pete.
to 4-wheel drive.
Do it. Driving here, I was like, yeah, I can climb it. No,
No.
I can't climb it.
You can, but not today, because the car rental.
It's 2 national parks in 1 weekend.